34 in base system 5 into, 34 in base system 5 into 2 in base system 5. I am doing 2 in base system 5. Right? Now what we will do is, first we will do the traditional method, then we will do the optimal method. Traditional method and then we will do the optimal method. Listen carefully, sir. First traditional method, then optimal method. Now traditional method. 4 2s are 8. 8 when divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, remainder 3. So these 3. These nothing but 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 when divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2. These nothing but 1, 2, 3. 2 4s are 8. 8 when divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 3. 3. 1 carried. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 means it is 1, 2. These so much of complication it is there. Not at all readed. 3 4 in base system 5. In a base system 5. In a base system 5. Digital sum is nothing but divide by 4. Just go by the answer options. Go by the answer options. These 4. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Any number multiplied by 9, answer digital sum is 9. Any number multiplied by 4, answer digital sum will be 4. Answer digital sum will be 4. If you check it out, these 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 1 by 5, it is 0, 1. These nothing but 4. These nothing but 4. 1 4 0 3. 4. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 4, it is 0. Here also 4 divided by 4, 0. I told you 9 and 0 can be used interchangeably. 4 and 0 also can be used. Perfectly divisible by, right. I hope this idea it is clear. I hope this idea it is clear to each and every one. Right? Please do not worry if the number of digits are more. These are all easy questions. They might just create a fear in you. 1 2 3 in a base system 5 into 3 2 4 in a base system 5. Please drop your pens. You are all Anil Nair students. You have to solve this question orally. If it is 5, it will be 4. If it is 5, it will be 4, right? So these nothing but remainder 2. These nothing but 3 plus 2, 5. 5 when divided by 4, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Answer digital sum, it should be 2. Answer digital sum, it should be 2. Answer digital sum, it should be 2. For you, one more example, Dinesh. These are all easy questions. 3 4 in base system 8 into 5 2 in base system 8. 5 2 in base system 8. See here, in a base system 8, digital sum is divided by 7. This is perfectly divisible by 7. This is perfectly divisible by 7. So answer is nothing but 0 or 7. Answer is nothing but 0 or 7. Answer is nothing but 0 or 7. So 7 divided 7, 7. I hope it is clear, Dinesh. When you divide 9 by 9, these for you better. 9 by 9, it is 0. So if you either it is 0 or 7. Everybody kindly reply if this logic is clear to you. Suppose if it is 5 7 2 5 in base system 8 minus 3 4 6 1 in base system 8. Please don't show your mathematical intelligence on this question. In a base system 8, digital sum will be for 7. 5 plus 2 out. In a base system 8, digital sum will be for 7. So these is nothing but 5. These is nothing but 5. These is nothing but 5. Like this you can solve the questions if you listen to all my live classes. There is a huge difference between an ordinary teacher taking a class for you and an author of 9 mathematical books taking a class for you, right? Everybody, it is clear. This is possible for addition. These digital sum will be possible for addition. Next, it will also be possible for subtraction. Next, it will be possible for multiplication. Next, it will be possible for, right? I told you that division should be converted into multiplication. Division should be converted into multiplication, right? Division should be converted into multiplication. How to use digital sum? People who are ignorant do not know the impact digital sum has created in so many ways. Digital sum in any base system. 2 power 29 is a 9-digit number with distinct digits. There are 2 or 3 doubts I will take out, sir. Right? Distinct digits. The digits are 1 to 9. No repetition of digits. No repetition of digits. No repetition of the digits. 0 to 9. Right? No repetition of the digits. Find the missing digit. Find the missing digit. Find the missing digit. Very, very good question asked. I just wrote a paper where the students asked me 3-4 doubts in the WhatsApp when they were studying yesterday. Right? These 3-4 doubts I will explain. Definitely, Rakesh, I will take a question for you, but I am sure you can solve the question on yourself. But I will just give you an approach. Right? For you, Rakesh, if 156 is divided by 13, it is nothing but quotient is 12 base 10. Am I right? So 156 is 13 into 12. So if ABC in a base system 8 divided by DEF in a base system 8, I got some number X in base system 8. This into this should give you this beta. This into this should give you this one. Right? Now see here, 4 doubts I got. I will take up some doubts. Now, 156 divided. Rakesh, you got an idea. This is the question one student asked me. He was solving some random placement paper. So, 2 power 29 is a 9-digit number. 2 power 29 is a 9-digit number. Digits are from 0 to 9. Digits are from 0 to 9. So, one digit is 0 to 9 means total 10 digits are there. But that number is a 9 digit. That means one digit is missing. One digit is missing. Which is the missing digit? We have to find it out. Which is the missing digit? The teacher told it seems there is no other better logic other than finding 2 power 29. Right? No, there is a better logic. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Listen carefully, sir. One digit is missing. 2 power 29. 2 power 29. Can I write like this? 2 power 6 power 4 into 2 power 5. 2 power 6 is 64. Power 4. 2 power 4 is 32. 64 digital sum is 1. 32 digital sum is 5. That means, can I say 2 power 29 digital sum is nothing but 5. 2 power 29 digital sum is nothing but 5. 2 power 29 digital sum is nothing but 5. Think logically. If there are digits from 0 to 9, no repetition of the digits. No repetition of the digits. Digits are not repeated. If the digits are not repeated, now see here, if the digits are not repeated, one such number could be like this, 9876543210. First I am doing for a 10-digit number, then I will come to it. What is the sum of the digits? Sum is nothing but 0 to 9, it is summation 9, which is 45. 4 plus 5, it is 9. If there is a 10-digit number, if I change the order, no repetition is allowed, right? It could be this one. Again, the sum of the digits is 9. That means all The numbers, 10 digit numbers. What is the sum of the digits? 9. But 2 power 29 digital sum is 5. If I take a 10 digit number, the digital sum is 9. If I take a 10 digit number, digital sum is 9. But if I take a 9 digit number, digital sum is 5. Which digit is missing? Digit missing is nothing but 4. Very easy question if you think this question logically. Digit missing is nothing but 4. Everybody please listen to me, sir. Again, 2 power 29 is a 9 digit number. And the 9 digits are the digits which are taken from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 total there are 10 digits. 0 to 9 total there are 10 digits. But 2 power 29 is a 9 digit number. That means 1 digit is missing. Which digit missing we will find it out. I calculated the digital sum of 2 power 29. 2 power 29 is 2 power 6 power 4 into 2 power 5. 2 power 6 is 64. 64 power 4 into 32. 64 it is 1. 32 it is 5. 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. Digital sum in the question is 5. If I take 10 digit numbers, if I change it in any order, 9876543210, 1234567890, you change it in any order, the sum of the digits will be 45. Are you all with me? The sum of the digits will be 45. If the sum of the digits is 45, for a 10 digit number, 45 digital sum is 9. For a 10 digit number, digital sum is 9. For a 9 digit number, digital sum is 5. For a 9 digit number, digital sum is 5. 10 digit number, digital sum is 9. What is the missing digit? 4. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply. If somebody tells you that there is no better logic for it and you get carried away, then I cannot do anything. Either you should replace the teacher or probably you should find your own ways to solve the problem in a better way. Everybody, I hope it is clear to you. Let me take a simple example. Suppose if there is a 4 digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Digital sum is nothing but 1. Suppose for example, if I remove one digit, this is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is 6. Can I say that the missing digit, if I add 4, I am getting the same digital sum? Yes or no? 2 power 29 is a 9 digit number. 2 power 29 is a 9 digit number and the digital sum is nothing but 5. But for a 10 digit number, the digital sum is nothing but 9. So if I add 4, I will get 9. Digit missing is nothing but 4. In how many ways can I add ones or twos to get 15? Right? In how many ways can I add only ones or only twos? The meaning of this line is, in how many ways can I add only ones or only twos or the combination of 1 or 2's to get 15? In how many ways can I add only ones or only twos to get 15? The doubt Santosh got is, sir, if it is 15, 1 added 15 times. 2 added 7 times, 1 time. Like that there will be so many cases, right sir? Don't you think that it will take too much time? Yes, by face value of the question it seems to be a counting problem. But why to worry when Anil Nair is there, right? Only 1 is there. It is 1. If I want first 2, 2 is nothing but 1 plus 1 or 2. If I want to write 3, I am finding out the pattern. It is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. That means to get 1 only one way is there. To get 2 there is 2 ways. To get 3 there are 3 ways. These is nothing but To get 4, how many ways are there? 3 plus 2, 5 ways. What is this? This is nothing but your one of the first C programs which you wrote it because you do not know the application. Right? You might tend it. Santosh, I hope it is clear. It is nothing but a Fibonacci series. First is 1, next is 2, next is 3, next is 5, next it is nothing but 8. I require some 15. 5 I got, 13, 21, 34, 55, 18, 9, 144. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I hope 12, 13, 14, 15. These nothing but 233. Am I right? These nothing but 377. These nothing but 510. These nothing but 887. He thought so many cases are there, so I will leave this question. A beautiful application of a Fibonacci series. Fn equivalent to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Please write down. Fibonacci series. It is just not in writing the programs. Writing the programs, you will probably think that you know the logic. Unless you understand how to apply it, that knowledge is nothing but an intellectual junk. F1 is 1, F2 is 2, F3 is 3, F4 is nothing but 2 plus 3, 5. F5 is nothing but 5 plus 3, 8. F6 is 13. F7 is 21. These are nothing but a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is the sum of the previous two elements. Fn equivalent to Fn minus 2 plus Fn minus 2. Fn minus 2. If you look at the structure of an amoeba, right? Structure of an amoeba, right? Right? This will be like this. Fibonacci series. Next one, please write down. Next question. What is the area of the triangle? Please write down. Next question, based upon this. This is also a very logical question which is given to you. What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle with Fibonacci values? What is the area of the triangles with Fibonacci values F8, F9 and F10? What is the area of the triangle with Fibonacci values F8, F9 and F10? F1 is given as 1, F2 is given as 2. Students who probably do not think right for 1 minute before solving the question, what they will do is slowly and steadily F1 1, F2 2, F3 3, F4 5, like that they will keep on solving. God will only bless them. Right? Fn equivalent to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2, n greater than or equivalent to 3. F10 is nothing but F9 plus F8. F10 is nothing but F9 plus F8. That means sum of two sides is equivalent to third side. If sum of two sides is equivalent to third side, how can the triangle be formed? Are you all with me? The triangle cannot be formed. Triangle cannot be formed. You cannot have a triangle with 3 consecutive Fibonacci values. Please write down, sir. You cannot have a triangle with 3 consecutive Fibonacci values. A triangle cannot be formed with 3 consecutive Fibonacci values. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. You have to do mathematics. Mathematics is a tool to think. Physics is a tool to think. Chemistry is a tool to think. You cannot get out of mathematics. You cannot get out of mathematics in your day-to-day life. I was, some months before, I was going in a car from my home, which is at Himayat Nagar, to airport. So my car driver reached till Mehdipatnam airport and I was there with my another senior professor along with me, he is also going and he is stays close to me. He said, sir, we will go together. So we reached till Mehdipatnam. Then my driver took the flyover. When he was traveling, I asked my friend, sir, why do you think my driver took the flyover? My professor friend said that it is because it covers less distance. People don't take flyovers to cover less distance. A flyover will be like this, sir. A flyover will be like this. So you go like this and you come like this. Just now we discussed sum of two sides is greater than third side. Sum of two sides is greater than third side. If you take flyover, you will cover this, you will cover this. Sum of these two is greater than this one. Actually, you will take more distance. You will take more distance, but what will happen is, because there is no congestion, you will go with a maximum speed, which will reduce the time taken because of the no congestion. There is no waiting time as such. Speed is increased, time will decrease. So it seems like that you are taking less distance, but actually you will take more distance if you take flyovers. A beautiful application of triangle in flyover concept. A triangle in a flyover concept. I hope it is clear. Next one. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? Next one. A pizza is there in a circular shape and it is kept in a rectangular box. The reason is very, very simple. The complete diameter of a circle is nothing but equivalent to the length of the rectangle. Entire pizza can be perfectly be fixed in a rectangle. That is the reason a circular pizza can be kept in an rectangular things. In case you can also develop an rectangular pizza and you can enclose it in a circle by making the diagonal of a rectangle equivalent to the diameter of the circle. This is a little complex compared to this one. That is the reason pizzas are made in a circular shape. Everybody, I hope it is clear. So everything whatever we discuss has a real-time application. Suppose you are from a civil engineering background, right? You can also use a Fibonacci series like this. A building has 10 floors. Please write down. A building has 10 floors. Each floor can be colored using either green or blue. In how many ways? Can you color these building? In how many ways can you color the building such that no two consecutive floors will take same green color? Please write down, sir. No two consecutive floors will take same green color. A building has 10 floors. Each floor can be colored either by using green or blue. In how many ways can you color the building such that no two consecutive floors can have the same green color? Right? Now see here. First floor, I can do it either by using either green or blue. First floor, I can do by using either green or blue. Second floor, it should not have same green. So when down is green, top should be blue. When down is blue, this will be blue and this will be green. I hope it is clear. If it is third floor, if the down is blue, it can take two wings, blue or green. If it is blue, it can take blue or green. If it is green, it can take blue. This is nothing but two ways. These is nothing but three ways. These is nothing but 5 ways. So 2, 3, 5. 10th floor I require 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144. Answer is, in how many ways can you color the building such that 3x is an even number? 3x is an even natural number. Tell me all the possible values of x. Please tell me in the answer. Tell me in the answer what are the possible values x will take. This is an exactly original question. Please tell me the answer. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Three x is even natural number. How many possible values x will take? Kindly reply everybody. Kindly reply everybody. Please tell. If Sankirti is saying all even numbers, like that, please say all even numbers. Right? Everybody kindly reply, sir. If you are not replying it, if you are not speaking, other person, how will he come to know what is there in your mind? Please at least do a comment in the live chat. What is the answer that you are thinking? Tomorrow when you get into a company, if you do not speak, other person will think that you are a non-performer. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. I want to address an issue where most of the students may do a mistake. Vamshi and Sankirt are only 2 people watching my class. What happened to another 136? Can't you take it and type your answer? Right? You do WhatsApp almost every day 2 to 3 hours, right? Can't you type an academic answer? And you are so good in typing, right? You are so good in typing. Yes, I am getting answers. Pawan Kalyan says except 2. Let us see that one. All even numbers except 0. N into n plus 1. From where you got n into n plus 1? Right? N into n plus 1. If n is a natural number, it will boil down to an even number. X takes multiples of 2. X takes multiples of 2. Everybody says x takes multiples of 2. You know, sir, the problem, everybody is looking at this problem in one direction. You are looking at this problem in this direction. You are not looking at through a different prism altogether. You are just reading the question. Most of you, I should definitely blame the teachers who made you think in this direction, or probably you did not find anybody who can ask you to look at it from a different direction. You know, most of you, what you thought? 3 is an odd number. X we don't know. Answer is an even number. X is an even number. So, X is an even number. This is partially right. This is partially right. But please tell me, why can't x take 2 by 3? Did I mention anywhere that x is a natural number? Why can't x take 4 by 3? Did I mention that x is a natural number anywhere? Why can't x be 8 by 3? Why can't x be 16 by 3? This is where half knowledge is very, very dangerous. X is even number and x will be 2 by 3, 4 by 3 and so on. The learning from this question is no assumptions. You are assuming that x is a natural number when it is not given in the question. Please write down. Why Pawan Kalyan except 2? Can you please clarify why it is except 2? If I take 2, 3 into 2, 6. Is 6 not an even number? Which book it is written that 6 is not an even number? Right? Why it is except 2? Except 2 is incorrect. Right? All even numbers except 0. Right? So, 0, 3 into 0 is 0. 0 is an even number for an international education books. But for an Indian, yes, 0 is neither even nor even odd. I hope it is clear. Everybody, almost everybody is incorrect. Not a single right answer I got it. Not a single student started reading the question properly and told that x could also be a fraction. And you guys want an 8 lakh or a 10 lakh or a 15 lakh salary, and your thinking ability is at this level. On what basis they will give you? Please don't answer me. Ask yourself this question, right? A 15 lakh job requires a different thinking ability. A 3 lakh salary difference. If you would have thought a little differently, or if somebody would have taught through their training programs, your mind can be trained. Your mind is like a guitar. You are very good in guitar. You stopped playing guitar and now you forgot the right algorithm behind playing guitar. Anything that you don't use it for a long time, it will get rusted and it will get dusted. I am sure if the same question was asked to you in +2 when you are preparing for IIT, like this you would have said. You have actually lost rhythm. The hunger you had to get an IIT, in engineering that hunger got diluted 100x times. There you used to study 6 hours. Now one day before you will study, because our university is so pathetic. Still you will get 75-80%. But right now it is the job time. Right now somebody is going to give a job to you. If you don't study right now, when you will study? Without studying, you think that you will get a job of 35-40 lakhs. Please get it and come back and meet me. I will personally gift you, if you crack a Google job of 35 lakhs in the first attempt without knowing the fundamentals. They will ask you, write a C program using interpreter, sir. Write a C program using interpreter. They will ask you. They will ask you, right? The difference between process and thread, show it live, not in theory. They will ask you the difference between a Norton theorem and a Thevenin theorem, show it live. Show it live. They will come out with a bulb and they will tell you this filament is not working. You are an electrical student. 15 minutes times, please switch on the bulb. They will all ask you this kind of practical questions. X could be fractions. Please write down this point. Please write down this point. No assumptions. Do not miss the next class, sir. Extremely important class. I will do next question. I will do next question. These also tell me. 5n by, don't do mistakes, sir. 5n by 18 is an integer. I am just training your mind to think differently. How many values n can take? How many values n can take? How many values n can take? Please answer it. Please answer it. It is okay if you do mistakes in life. I am there to correct it. You will come to know where exactly you did the mistake. From last 8 days you are seeing me in live classes. If there is a doubt that is asked, I am taking out the doubt and the name and I am answering that doubt. 5n by 18 is an integer. How many values n can take? How many values n can take? Please answer. Everybody answer. You don't need to worry. Assume Anil Nair is beside you as a teacher, putting my hand on you and trusting you that you are better than what you think you are. I damn care about your school marks, college marks, intermediate marks. All I care is, if you are sincere and serious in your preparation, I will take you to a level where you cannot even imagine. Through my sincerity in the classes, through your seriousness in the classes, I have sent a blind student into IIMs. You are probably not blind, and it should be a cakewalk for me. It's all about having that doubtless trust in your teacher. Answer bolo beta. Answer, everybody answer. Answer everybody. Answer everybody. Jagadish says, all integers with fractions. Will it take all integers? Can n take 2? 2 is an integer. Think again, Jagadish. Can n take 4? Can n take 4? Everybody answer. Multiples of 18. Multiples of 18. And their negative values. Good. Now people are going to the left side of 0 also. Very good. That means, that proves a point. If somebody pushes you, you can actually give your best. Good. Right? Very good. Krishna says, 18 multiples and 18 by 5. Yes. Now you guys are thinking in the right direction. Tejasvi, just come out of the comfort zone. Pranav, try to think beyond it. Try to think beyond. Try to think beyond. Grishma, negative values. Now see here. N can take 5 by 18. Let me first 5 by 18 into n. 5 by 18 into n. It is an integer. So the first case is n should be a multiple of 18. 18, 36, 54, minus 18, minus 36, minus 54. Some of you have reached till here. Good, you have reached till here. But n could also be 18 by 5. N could also be 36 by 5. Are you all with me? 5 by 18 into 18 by 5. 5 by 18 into 18 by 5. 36 by 5 and 54 by 5 and so on. And so on. N is a 18 by 5, 36 by 5, 54 by 5 and so on. So it can also be negative beta. Minus 18 by 5 minus 36 by 5. Idea is to tell you whether you can think like this. You reach it till here. Can you go beyond 18 by 5? Yes, that also. Let us see. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? 18 by 5, 36 by 5. That means be careful. What is another learning from this question? Read the question carefully. Anyway, next class I will do a lot of questions based upon this concept. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Please write down. Right? Next class is full of like this.